Identifying real rough diamonds can be challenging, especially for beginners. Many people discover stones during travel, mining areas, or purchases and wonder whether they have found a genuine diamond or just a common mineral. While professional gemological testing is always recommended, there are simple home tests that can help you make a first evaluation. One of these methods is the vinegar test, which is easy, inexpensive, and accessible to everyone. This article explains how to identify real rough diamonds at home using vinegar, how the test works, its limitations, and additional tips to improve accuracy. What is a rough diamond? A rough diamond is a natural diamond that has not been cut or polished. Unlike sparkling jewelry diamonds, rough diamonds usually have a dull or greasy surface, irregular or sharp crystal shapes, natural edges and flat faces, a heavy feel compared to their size. They are often mistaken for quartz, calcite, or other transparent stones. Why use vinegar to test rough diamonds? Vinegar is a weak acid, acetic acid. Many fake stones and minerals react chemically to acids, while real diamonds are chemically inert and do not react. The vinegar test helps detect surface reactions, bubbling or corrosion, color changes caused by acid-sensitive minerals. Materials needed: white vinegar, household vinegar, a clear glass cup, the rough stone you want to test, clean water, a cloth or paper towel. Step-by-step vinegar test for rough diamonds. Step 1. Clean the stone. Wash the stone thoroughly with clean water to remove dirt, dust, or oils. This ensures accurate results. Step 2. Place the stone in vinegar. Put the stone inside a clear glass cup and pour enough vinegar to fully cover it. Step 3. Wait and observe. Leave the stone in vinegar for 10 to 30 minutes. Carefully observe any bubbles forming on the surface, color changes, surface damage or erosion. Step 4. Remove and inspect. Take the stone out, rinse it with water, and dry it with a cloth. Examine it under good lighting. Interpreting the results. If the stone is a real rough diamond, no bubbling or chemical reaction, no surface damage, no color change, the stone looks exactly the same as before. Diamonds are extremely resistant to acids like vinegar. If the stone is not a diamond, bubbling or fizzing may appear. Surface may become dull or etched, color may fade or change. These reactions indicate minerals such as calcite or limestone. Limitations of the vinegar test. While helpful, the vinegar test is not 100% conclusive. Some non-diamond stones do not react to vinegar. Synthetic diamonds also pass the vinegar test. The test does not confirm diamond quality or value. It should be used as a preliminary screening test only. Additional home tests to combine with vinegar. For better accuracy, combine the vinegar test with other methods. 1. Water test. Drop the stone into water. Real diamonds sink quickly due to high density. 2. Scratch test. Use with caution. Diamonds can scratch glass, but many minerals can too. This test may damage the stone. 3. Fog test. Breathe on the stone. Real diamonds disperse heat quickly, so fog disappears instantly. 4. Visual inspection. Check for sharp edges, natural crystal shapes, and lack of round, smooth surfaces. When to seek professional testing. If your stone passes several home tests, visit a certified gemologist. Use professional tools like thermal conductivity testers. Request laboratory verification, GIA, IGI, HRD. Professional testing is the only way to confirm authenticity and value. Conclusion. The vinegar test is a simple and affordable way to help identify real rough diamonds at home. While it cannot provide definitive proof, it is a useful first step when combined with other tests. If your stone shows no reaction to vinegar and passes additional checks, you may be closer to discovering a genuine rough diamond. Always remember, home tests guide curiosity, professionals confirm reality.